let's talk about the differences between then and now. You talked about the fisherman that has disappeared now. In the other hand, the place Marzamemi has grown up in an economic and touristic way. So, in your opinion, is this positive or negative? The disappearance of the fisherman, the old tradition, the old place in general?
Of course, it's very sad that these old traditions dies and disappears. And the other way, it's of course important for the city that there is tourism and business. Of course, it's good and bad, but I think it could be both. I don't understand why the fisherman has to disappear. I think it would even add to the business here if they could be. But of course, this is also a bigger context of globalization and all
the
this
game
kind
of life.
everything is all this same thing in Finland. The fishermen died also there because the fish comes now from China or
globalization.
Yeah. And all these small professions that are dying out. It's very sad. I mean, if you look there, you think about I think of the old movies with this fisherman. Now they go. It's strange.
Yes, it's my opinion also. Do you think that there is a model about it? I mean, that there is a way to let the two things live in the same time, in the same period? The economic grown-up and the fisherman, the traditions, the old town.
I think there should be, but I don't know. It doesn't seem to happen, Like there is this, where there's a one cortile there where they show films. It used to be for the fishermen now.
Yes,
Now it's
another
films, which is good that they're screening up these films. But it seems to be impossible for this fisherman and many other professions to survive in this globalization, this global system. It's more about quantity than quality.
Yes, totally. In this world, and now, yes.
So unfortunately, that's the reality. It seems to be difficult to resist, and you cannot protest, but it doesn't help too much.
Okay. Thank you for your time and good luck with your movie. Adelaide Fontana per MECA Summer School 2015.
Okay.
Thank you.
May